Good morning, Loki. Well, this morning's task is to prep and take images of a Mac 512K. This is the 1 series computer. Check it out. It comes with the original manufacturer's packaging, all the little bookwork. Boy, have things changed. I always remembered things were a little slower when I was a kid. Nowadays, everyone's so short on patience when it comes to technology. They just expect one button to be pushed or say, Alexa, turn on blah, blah, blah. And it should just work. The person that dropped it off at my house to sell for them had said, yeah, we haven't used it in years. We used to ship it back and forth whenever they were traveling, which is why all the boxes have tons of shipping tape on them. First time I booted up, it took me 7 minutes for it to get up to temperature and to come up with the screen. Oh, I feel we need more patience these days. Who's my happy puppy? Hey, good afternoon. Little bit of an issue. Can't see it from here, but my mom's Blazer decided to let go of its water pump, but it's only got 70,000 miles on it. Oh well, the seal is shot, so it's coming out of the front of the water pump. This is going to be interesting. Unexpected car repairs are just the best. Oh, my sarcasm will be high tonight. It's already about 42 degrees outside. Awesome! The joys of working with injured ribs as a mechanic. Bending over hurts. If this weren't my mother's truck, I obviously would not be doing this. Next. Hose is back on. That little idler pulley out of the way so I can properly access this doodad, whatchamacallit, sharamalama ding dong. And there we go. Hold this when I tell you to press the red button. Okay. Hey kid, you remember when I told you not to press the red button?
Hit the red button?
Good. Press that red button.
Okay.
Elvis ain't dead, he just went home. One of my favorite movies of all time. Okay, press the button.
I did.
Okay, press and let it release.
There
we go.
we go. Oh.
Okay, we're done there.
So technical. I realized that over the last year and a half, everybody's able to put on rubber gloves and pretend like they're going to do prostate exams. You got all the hoses back then?
Yeah.
Oh, you're fast.
I am doing it right, but it looks so wrong. Story of my life!
I'm going to just throw it in the recycle bin?
Yeah. Say hello to my little friend. Oh. That's a wrap. Well, that was an experience.
Yeah.
You coming in?
Yeah.
Now, dinner time at almost 8 o'clock, which is about the same time when I ate yesterday, and I was up till 3 a.m. Woot woot. Oh, this is nice. Oh yeah. I'm so glad I turned that heater on when I went outside. Well, pardon me while I get out of my clothes and get into something a little more comfortable. After brushing Loki off, I decided I'm going to go ahead and clean his crate too. So I took it outside, pressure washed it. It's actually down in the living room right now. And I bought him a new bed. Because I'm like, okay, well, the old one's torn. It's been sitting in a bin, so I can't put it in a washing machine. I'll just buy him a new one. It'll be easier. Put it in his crate. Let's go see. Right. So his new bed is in his crate over there, and he is on this bed. You're my good boy. Give me 5. All right, I did a good job.
Does this mean I don't have to wash it now? It's been sitting in the bin for like 4 years. You don't care? Yeah, you don't care.
Well, now that that's all taken care of, I think it's time to call it a night. I hope you guys have had a fantastic weekend. If you haven't done so yet, please hit that like and subscribe. Help me grow my channel, and I'll catch you soon.